Hello friends, myself Josna Watt. In the previous video, we have seen the example on simplex method. In this video, we also discuss another example of simplex method. Function is maximum of f is equal to x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 subject to the conditions 2x1 plus x2 minus x3 less or equal to 2 minus 2x1 plus x2 minus 5x3 greater than equal to 6 and 4x1 plus x2 plus x3 less or equal to 6 subject and x1 x2 x3 that is non-negativity condition, it must be positive. Okay, here we have to also obtain the solution of the LPP by using the simplex method. Okay, now first see the algorithm of simplex method. Now what is the algorithm? Now in the algorithm, first step is objective function must be maximization type. If it is minimization type, then convert into maximization type by multiplying the negative sign. But here our objective function is already in the already maximization type, so we no need to convert it again. Okay, आपका यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन मैक्सिमम है तो उसको एज इट इज रखो, अगर मिनिमम रहता तो हम इसको क्या करते, कन्वर्ट करते. ओके, देन सेकंड कंडीशन इज और सेकंड स्टेप इज solution values must be positive. Now solution value means the values right side की जो value है constant की, that is called as solution values. Now in the first constant solution value is 2, in the second constant solution value is minus 6 and the third constant solution value is again 6. Now our second step is solution values must be positive, but in the second constant solution value is negative, so convert it positive. And how to convert it? Just by multiplying the minus sign. Okay, so LPP become now maximum of f, we write our LPP x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 and conditions are 2x1 plus x2 minus x3 less or equal to 2 as it is. Just we have to convert that minus 6 as plus 6, so in multiply negative sign, then it become 2x1 minus x2 plus 5x3. आपको क्या करना है, सेकंड कंस्टेंट को माइनस साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. जब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एट द सेम टाइम इक्वलिटी साइन ऑल्सो चेंज, मीन्स इट बिकम लेस और इक्वल टू प्लस 6. दैट इज अवर सेकंड कंस्टेंट. नाउ थर्ड कंस्टेंट एज इट इज 4x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 लेस और इक्वल टू 6 एंड नॉन नेगेटिविटी कंडीशन x1 x2 x3 इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. सबसे पहले क्या करना, अल्गोरिदम में से फर्स्ट स्टेप में ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन मैक्सिमम है कि नहीं ये चेक करना, अगर है मिनिमम है तो कन्वर्ट इट मैक्सिमम. उसके बाद सॉल्यूशन वैल्यूज मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव, दैट इज स्टेप नंबर सेकंड. ओके, देन स्टेप नंबर थर्ड इज इंट्रोड्यूस स्लैक वेरिएबल, सरप्लस वेरिएबल और आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल, जिसकी भी जरूरत है वो ऐड करना. हियर वी इंट्रोड्यूस हियर. हाँ, अब स्लैक, सरप्लस और आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल किस पे डिपेंड करेंगे, इक्वलिटी साइन पे. इफ इक्वलिटी साइन इज लेस और इक्वल टू टाइप देन वी ऐड स्लैक वेरिएबल. इफ इक्वलिटी साइन ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू टाइप देन वी ऐड सरप्लस वेरिएबल, एंड इफ इट इज इक्वल टू टाइप देन वी ऐड artificial variable. Here equality sign is less or equal to type, so we add a slack variable. So we introduce slack variable. We introduce here slack variable. We introduce this slack variable. Here we introduce the three slack variable S1, S2, S3 and all are positive. Why we introduce three slack variable? Because number of constants are 3. So we introduce 3 slack variable. Okay. After that we get maximum of f is equal to x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 and constants are 2x1 plus x2 minus x3 plus s1 is equal to 2. We introduce a slack variable s1 in the first constant. Secondly, 2x1 minus x2 plus 5x3 plus s2 is equal to 6. And third constant become 4x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus s3 is equal to 6. Okay. Now at the same time we have to add this slack variable in the objective function with 0 coefficient. Means here we get plus 0 into s1 plus 0 into s2 plus 0 into s3. Okay. That is our LPP now. After that is step number 3. Now in step number 4, what we have to do? We have to obtain the initial basic feasible solution. Now find initial basic feasible solution, and which is obtained by substituting x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0. Means by substituting the variable as 0, we get the initial basic feasible solution. If we put x1, x2, x3 in the constant, then we get s1 is 2, s2 is 6 and s3 is again 6. After that, if we substitute the values of this slack variable and x1, x2, x3 in the objective function, then we get maximum of f is equal to 0. It become f max. We can write it as f max equal to 0, and that is the initial basic feasible solution. That is our step number 4. Okay. Now step number 5. In step number 5, what we have to do? We have to form a table. Okay. So initial iteration. In the initial iteration or in the table, first row is CG. Okay. Then say first column is CB. Then XB. Okay. Then x1, x2, x3 and slack variable s1, s2, s3. s1, s2, s3 and b. Then CB. What is CB? CB be the coefficient of s1, s2, s3 in the objective function. It becomes 0, 0, 0. So we write here 0, 0, 0. Then what is XB? XB be the slack or surplus variable. That is here S1, S2 and S3. Okay. After that CJ. What is CJ? CJ be the coefficient of x1, x2, x3 in the objective function. It become 1, 2, 1. And coefficient of s1, s2, s3 is 0, 0, 0 in the objective function. Then coefficient of x1, x2, x3 in the first constant, that is 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. Then s1, 1, s2, s3, 0 because it is absent in the first constant. Similarly, coefficient of x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, s3 in the second constant, it become 2, minus 1, 5, 0, 1, 0. And lastly 4, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And we be the solution values, which is 2, 6 and 6. That is the table. Okay. After that, we have to calculate Fj. And Fj be the Fj is summation of Cb into Aij. Means it becomes 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 4. It is 0. Then 0 into 1, 0 into minus 1 plus 0 into 1. Multiply and add. 0 into minus 1, 0 into 5, 0 into 1. Okay. Also again 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. Again we get 0. Similarly 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1, 0. Similarly here also 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Again which is 0. Okay. Then obtain Fj minus Cj. Now Fj minus Cj is here 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Then 0 minus 2 minus 2. 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Then 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Then see the most negative value. हाँ, और अभी देखो यहाँ पे Fj माइनस Cj मिल गया। उसके बाद आपको ये चेक करना है, इफ ऑल दीज वैल्यूज आर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 देन वी गेट द ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशन। अगर ये वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 Fj माइनस Cj की, देन वी गेट द ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशन. But here Fj minus Cj is less or equal to 0. All the values are negative. In that case, then consider the most negative value. अब most negative कौन सी है इसमें से? -2. -2 be the most negative value. Okay, that is called as key column. Then calculate theta. Theta is solution values upon values in the key column, means 2 upon 1 here. 2 upon 1, 2. Then 6 upon minus 1, minus 6. Then 6 upon 1, that is again 6. Then इसके बाद क्या करना है? थीटा में से कौन सी वैल्यू लेनी है? मिनिमम वैल्यू, मिनिमम पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. And which one is the minimum positive value? That is 2. 2 is here minimum positive or most positive. We say that that row is called as key row. That is key column, that is key row. Okay. After that, obtain the pivot element, and pivot element is the element that is the intersection element of key row and key column. अब देखो key row and key column का intersection element कौन सा है? ये 1. That is called as pivot element. Okay. After that, अब इस then next iteration में क्या करना है? Make the pivot element as 1 and another element as 0. pivot element को 1 करना है और उस कॉलम के बाकी एलिमेंट को 0 करना है, इस -1 and 1 को, with the help of pivot element using the row transformation. Okay. Now the first iteration. In the first iteration, Cj as it is, then Cb, Xb, X1, X2, X3, S1, S2, S3 and B. After that, Cj is 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then Xb. Now here x2 be the incoming variable and s1 be the outgoing variable. So we write x2 in place of x1, s1. Therefore x2, s2 and s3 keeping as it is, because here x2 is incoming variable. Now coefficient of x2 in objective function is 2. So we write here 2 and other 0, 0. Okay. Then make the pivot element as 1, but here pivot element is already 1. So we write first column as it is. 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0 and 2. Okay. After that, make the other element in that column as 0. Means we have to make minus 1 and 1 as 0. So first we make minus 1 as 0 using the row transformation with the help of pivot element. So we use the row transformation R3 plus R1 because minus 1 plus 1 0. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Then minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. Then third. In third row, make that 1 as 0. Here with the help of pivot element means we have to perform the operation R3 minus R1. Then R3 minus R1. Now what is R3 minus R1 is here? 4 minus 2 become 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus of minus 1, that is 2. Then 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Then 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Then 1 minus 0, 1. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. Then obtain Fj. Fj is summation of Cb into Aij. 2 into 2 plus 0 into 4 plus 0 into 2. It becomes 4. Then 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. It becomes 2. And 2 into minus 1 plus 0 into 4 plus 0 into 2. It becomes minus 2. Similarly, 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. It becomes 2. And next 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 becomes 0. Then 2 into 0, 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 become also 0. We get Fj. Then obtain Fj minus Cj. That is 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 2, 0 and minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, 2 minus 0, 0 minus 0 and 0 minus 0. We get Fj minus Cj. Now here see that if Fj minus Cj is positive or greater than equal to 0, we get the optimum solution. But here Fj minus Cj not greater than equal to 0 because we get here negative term in Fj minus Cj. In that case, see the most negative term. Now most negative is here minus 3 and that is called as key column. Okay. Then obtain the value of theta. Now calculate theta. Theta is solution values upon values in the key column. So we get here 2 upon minus 1, that is minus 2. Then 8 upon 4 become 2 and 4 upon 2 is 2. Then see the minimum most पॉजिटिव वैल्यू और मिनिमम पॉजिटिव वैल्यू। अब इसमें से मिनिमम पॉजिटिव वैल्यू कौन सी है? यहाँ पे 2 और 2 दोनों वैल्यू सेम है, देन वी कैन कंसिडर एनी वन ऑफ द वैल्यू। सो वी कंसिडर हियर वैल्यू इन द थर्ड रो। ओके, then that is called as key row, minimum positive value. Then obtain the variable called as pivot element, or obtain the element called as pivot element, and pivot element with the intersection element of key row and key column. So intersection element of key row and key column, that is 2. That is 2. That is the first iteration. Then the next iteration, then second iteration, again here Cj as it is, Cb, Xb, X1, X2, X3, S1, S2, S3 and B, and Cj is again same, that is 1 2 1 1 2 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now Xb, now here incoming variable is x3 and outgoing variable is s3, means we write x3 in place of s3. So x2 as it is, s2 as it is, and here x3, and coefficient of x3 in objective function as 1, s2 as it is and x2 as it is. Here outgoing variable is s3 and incoming variable is x3. Okay, then make the pivot element as 1. So we perform the operation in the third row, that is we multiply 1 by 2 to the third row, means here we get 1 by 2 into r3, then we get 1 0 1, 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into 0, 1 by 2 into 2, then 1 by 2 into minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 and 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, after that make the other element in that column as 0, means make 4 and minus 1 as 0 with the help of that 1, with the help of the pivot element, and that is the pivot element. Now we perform the operation, here minus 1, here plus 1, means we perform the operation r1 plus r3, r1 plus r3. Okay, then we get 2 plus 1, that is 3, then 1 plus 0 1, then minus 1 plus 1 0, then 1 plus minus 1 by 2 1 by 2, then 0 plus 0, then 0 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, and lastly 2 plus 2, that is 4. Okay, now make that 4 as 0, so we perform the operation r2 minus, with the help of that 1, 4 into r3, make the 4 as 0 with the help of 1. So we perform the operation r2 minus 4r3, so 4 minus 4 into 1 is 0, 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0, 4 minus 4 into 1, that is 0, then 1 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 plus 4 by 2 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3 here. Okay, then 1 minus here 1 minus 4 into 0 1, then 0 minus 4 into 1 by 2 means minus 4 by 2, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, and 8 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 minus 8 again 0. Okay, then obtain fj. Fj is 2 into 3 6 plus 0 plus 1 means 7, then 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0, that is 2. then 2 into 0, 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1, that is 1. Then 2 into 1 by 2 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2 means 2 to cancel 1, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Then 2 into 1 by 2 plus 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 means 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. And lastly 2 into 4 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, then obtain Fj minus Cj. 7 minus 1, 6. Then 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 by 2 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 3 by 2 minus 0, 3 by 2. Now here we get Fj minus Cj is greater than equal to 0. Means we say that solution is optimum. Solution is optimum. And our objective function is maximum. So we get F maximum is equal to, now what is F maximum? It becomes 10. And then obtain the values of x1, x2 and x3. Now what is x2? x2 is 4. Okay, then x3 is 2. And remaining value x1 is 0. So we get here x2 is 4, x1 is 0 and x3 is 2. These are the values of x1, x2, x3, and objective function and F maximum is 10, and which is the required solution. In this way we get the solution of LPP by using the simplex method. Thank you. In the next video we see another example.